Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I'm going to be critiquing Tegan Jain's 4.98 mean of 3 on 2 by 2. So I'm gonna jump straight into the first scramble, which is on the top of the screen now. He got a 4.01 on the scramble, and so for your layer, what you did was blue. You did R, U, R2, U, R, which is a pretty decent solution, I'd say. But what I'd suggest you do instead is to just build the white layer. You could just do R2, U2, R. After this, you just got your regular Soon case, which you executed pretty nicely. However, you did take quite a while to recognize it, and at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you examples on how to trace your OLL during inspection. After this, you just got a regular JPerm, which you executed pretty nicely. However, I wouldn't recommend this as a JPerm algorithm. What I'd suggest instead is for you to just do this JBperm algorithm because it's much faster than the JAperm. Or I'd suggest you to check out Amir Saifi's JPerm that he discovered. If you guys are too lazy to go check the description and learn that algorithm, it's on the screen now. F, R, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime, R, U, R2, F prime. And it's executed from this angle, so kind of like this. Overall, it's much faster than the JAperm, and the JBperm can also be pretty fast, so I'd recommend you switch your JPerm algorithm as well. So the second scramble is at the top of the screen now. He got a 5.21 on this scramble. So for this, he did red layer. He basically just did U, R2, U2, R, which is a pretty good solution. If I had to be extremely critical, I'd say you should go for the orange layer because it's a little more finger trick friendly. You can do something like F, R2, U, R2, but I'm not complaining at all. Even your red layer was pretty good. After this, what you did was this long algorithm. Instead, I'd suggest you basically just do this algorithm. It goes like this. The algorithm I showed is a lot faster and has a lot less moves, therefore I'd recommend you switch to that. After this, you just did your regular JPerm, which was executed pretty well, but you took quite a long time to predict your AUF, which was a U2. Therefore, I'd suggest you take a look at my how to predict AUF tutorial. The link will be in the description below. I've shown how to predict AUF when you do the regular JBperm if you're switching to that. For this, it would just be a UAUF. Alright, so here's the last scramble at the top of the screen now. He got a 5.71 on this scramble, which is acceptable because it's not a great looking scramble at hindsight. So what he did for this face is kind of just inserted this piece in the back like this and then inserted this piece. I'd say that's a very long solution, and what I'd suggest instead is to just bring this piece over like this and then just insert it, which also skips OLL and gets you straight to PBL. Then after this, what you did was perfectly fine. You just did U, did the standard algorithm, followed by a U again, and then just the PBL. However, I'd suggest you work on your recognition by practicing more 2x2 over the coming days, because with practice, your recognition can improve a lot and so can your times. Alright, so like I promised, we're going to be walking through Tegan's scrambles and trying and predicting the OLL cases. So his first scramble is at the top of the screen now. So how we're going to build this face is just by doing an R2, inserting it with a U2 and then a last R. So let's trace through these pieces together. Let's start with these two. R2 will basically bring them on top here. U2 will slide them over on the left, and the last R won't do anything. So we've got two pieces out here. Then one more piece we can trace is this one. R2 will bring it down here. U2 will not affect it, and R will just bring it back up. So we've got these two pieces and this piece as well. And really that's enough to tell you which OLL case it is. It's basically just the U case, which is just this, and you can just go straight into it. Alright, so here's the second scramble at the top of the screen now. So for this face, we are not going to be doing U and then R2, U2, R again, because that's basically repeating the previous case, and I don't want to do that. So therefore, we're going to be doing orange, which is just F, and then R2, U, R2. So let's trace through these pieces together. Let's start with this one right here. F will not do anything to it. R2 will bring it down here. U will not do anything, and R2 will just bring it back up. Therefore, we have one piece right here. Let's continue with this one. F will bring it here. R2 will push it back there. U will not do anything, and R2 will just bring it back down. Therefore, we have this one and this one. Let's continue with this one. F will just bring it up here. R2 will not do anything to it. U will push it back there, and R2 will not do anything. So we have this one, and this one, which means our last one should be here, which means this is basically just a pi OLL. So we can just do this and then. Alright, so here is the last scramble on the top of the screen now. So for this scramble, what we're going to be doing is just U and then bringing this down, bringing this over and bringing this down. So let's start with tracing this one. This piece will move here with the U, R prime will not affect it, U will push it back there, and R prime will not affect it either. So we have one piece at the back there. Let's continue with this piece. This piece, when you do a U, it will push it here, R prime will not do anything, U will bring it here, and then R prime will push it down. So therefore we have this one and this one. Let's continue with this one. U will not affect it, R prime will push it back here, U will not do anything, and R prime again will push it back here. Therefore we have this one and this one, which means it's going to be an OLL skip. So we'll just do that and then straight into PDL. Oops. So that's about it for my first ever 2x2 solve critique. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.